analyzers, right?
But why shut down? I think this is small line we can do hot tapping. Why shut down?
Yes, Nasser, I mean, this is not, we cannot decide. I think we have to discuss in the team. Since the pressure is very high and the high stress concentration, and I'm not competent in terms of hot tapping, but the feed contractor has to propose some options for the EPC contractor.
I can see from the drawing there is a hot tapping. I can see the guys there and they are installing 2 valves, double valve isolation, and the tie-in later on will come after. So I think they proposed the hot tapping, not shutdown, because shutdown not easy to give.
Yeah, because this is a running line. So Santosh, yes. Can you appraise what is the proposal you have given to the company and EPC contractor?
Yeah, actually,
Santosh, sorry. The question is regarding from the HSC as well. We have to know the HSC concern as well here. As a process and piping, we cannot directly confirm. So actually, the hot tapping has lots of requirement. As you said, the pressure is one of our bottleneck. As you said, the lethal content inside that as well. So I believe the HSC shall confirm. It's possible for hot tapping, but according to the layout, is nothing showing as a hot tapping or not. It is just showing the simply flange over there.
I think there is no issue for hot tapping. Actually, we have the same connection here, but it is even 10-inch line. We will have a hot tapping on the 24-inch, the same line you are talking about. We will have the 10-inch hot tapping line and 6-inch with the 8-inch flare line. So there is no issue with the hot tapping.
Okay. So no problem, Nasser, I understand. We will take a suitable, dictation in our sheet so that our sheet is clear. The method of installation of this analyzer, we'll put it. Okay, guys. So we have seen the shutdown requirement. We have seen the location. Yeah,
we have this recommendation also in Hazard. I'm just adding it in chat.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So yes, and now we know the location. We know the pipeline on which we are going to install.
One sec, Chairman. Kumar Suresh.
Yes.
Was it discussed to have a hot tap here specifically in Hazard?
Sir, actually there was a discussion, and then because it was not that clear, so we had a recommendation to review the options.
So what this was a recommendation from HSC or operation to have this hot tap? Because this is for the first time I'm hearing this one, that we'll go for hot tap. So,
no, sir, actually it wasn't.
Was it confirmed or it was just raised?
It was raised, sir. If you see the recommendation, recommendation is review options to take the tapping for dew point analyzer and H2S analyzer from the main gas injection header. So options to be evaluated.
Okay, so that means it is clear to us. That means we do not know whether we are going to take a shutdown or we are going to take hot tapping, right now?
No, sir. That's sorry.
Okay.
When I'm talking regarding this one, okay, according to the ASME, okay, actually our normal pressure limit for the hot tapping is up to 150 bar. Okay, we don't have the hot tapping with more than 150 bar.
And here it is, I think 420. It is 420.
Please confirm, and our pressure is right now 420. Okay. So, yeah, this is the point.
I understand, NJ, what you're saying. Okay, so guys, see, we are the constructability team. We will not finalize which options are good. We will take one recommendation again, evaluate the method of